In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new document in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to name your file, and how saving works, so you can get from idea to document in just a minute. First, open your web browser and head to Google's homepage. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in to your Google account. That's totally normal. Just sign in so Drive can create and store your file under your account. Now look to the top right of the Google page for the grid icon, the small 3x3 square of dots. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the panel of Google services. This menu is your shortcut to things like Gmail, Calendar, and of course, Drive. From that Apps panel, click Drive. This takes you to your Google Drive, which is your cloud storage for files and folders. If you don't see Drive right away, scroll within the panel. It's usually near the top. Once Drive opens, you'll land in My Drive, where your files live. In Google Drive, look to the top left and click the New button. This is the main hub for creating new items. It's where you can start documents, spreadsheets, slides, and more, or create folders if you like to keep things organized. From the New menu, click Google Docs. Depending on your view, you might see options for a blank document or one from a template. If you just want a fresh page, choose the blank option. Templates are helpful later if you need a head start on resumes, reports, or meeting notes. Your new document will open in a separate tab. Start creating your file by typing directly onto the page. Use the toolbar at the top to format text. Change fonts, adjust size, apply bold or italics, add headings, or insert lists and links. If you make a mistake, the Undo button is your friend, and you can always redo if needed. Explore the Insert menu to add images, tables, or page numbers whenever you need them. Before you get too far, give your document a name. At the top left, click where it says Untitled Document. Type a clear title and press Enter. A good file name makes it easy to find later. If you want to place the file in a specific folder, click the small folder icon next to the title and choose a location in Drive. When you're done, just close the tab. Google Docs saves automatically as you type. You'll see a Save to Drive indicator near the title. Your document is now in Google Drive, ready to open, share, or edit anytime.